Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and kindly like and share our video if you like the content. Today we will talk about sentence structure. In this video we will talk about the structure of sentences and its types. So let's begin. Let's start with the type of sentences. There are mainly four types of sentences: simple, compound, complex and compound complex. We will discuss these things in detail. Basic elements of every sentence. Basic element of every sentence is subject and predicate. This is the basic element of every sentence. Basic elements: subject and predicate. For example, Mary plays tennis. Mary is subject and plays tennis is predicate. We will talk about simple sentence first. So what is simple sentence? A simple sentence has one subject and only one predicate. A simple sentence will be having only one subject and one predicate. Then observe how a simple sentence is constructed. Like example, we went to San Juan yesterday. This is a simple sentence. Simple sentence have that we went to San Juan. We is pronoun, went is verb, and to San Juan is prepositional phrase. To is preposition. San Juan is a city. So simple subject is we and complete predicate is went to San Juan. We will move further. Simple sentence has subject and predicate. Mary plays tennis. Only one subject is there and one predicate is there. This is simple sentence. More examples: Tom and Mary plays tennis. Then compound subject. This is compound subject. Subject is compound. Still it's a simple sentence. There are two subjects, so it is compound subject. It's not two subject. There are two people, so it's compound subject. Tom and Mary plays tennis. It's a simple sentence, but here we have compound subject. For more example, Tom and Mary plays tennis and swim. Here we have both the things, compound subject and compound predicate. We have compound subject also and compound predicate also. Simple sentence with compound subject. So let's talk about simple sentence with compound subject. We have compound subject like Tom and Mary is a compound subject, plays tennis. Here predicate is not compound but subject is compound. So simple sentence with compound subject. For example, Tom and Mary play tennis. Simple sentence with compound subject and compound predicate. We have one more example of simple sentence with compound subject and compound predicate, like Tom and Mary plays tennis and swim. Here we have compound subject also and compound predicate also. Let's talk more about compound sentence. We were talking about simple sentences. Now we will talk about compound sentence. A compound sentence has more than one part that can stand alone. That is independent clause. Now independent clause. What is independent clause? Independent clause are connected by coordinating conjunctions, conjunctive adverbs or a semicolon. So independent clauses are connected by coordinating conjunctions, conjunctive adverbs or a semicolon. Let's see one example. Like, we went to San Juan and most of us danced all night. So we went to San Juan, it's a complete sentence. Here comes a conjunction and most of us danced all night. So most of us danced all night, it's also a complete sentence. So both sentences combined with a and forms a compound sentence. We will see more about this. So in compound sentence, we went to San Juan and most of us danced all night. Here we is subject, went is verb, and to San Juan, like earlier, it's a prepositional phrase. And here predicate, what is predicate? Danced all night. Danced all night is a predicate. Here in predicate, danced is a verb, all night is a modifying phrase, and one more subject is most of us. So coordinating conjunction is what? And is a coordinating conjunction. Because why it is called coordinating conjunction? Because it is adding two sentence, complete sentence together. So let's move forward. So compound sentence have two subjects and two predicate, and we are using coordinating conjunctions like and. Okay, now again see the example. Tom swims and Mary plays tennis, and it's a compound sentence because two complete sentence, Tom swims and Mary plays tennis, are combined with and. This is a compound sentence. Like in compound sentence, how many coordinating conjunctions are used? Mainly for, and, not, but, or, yet, so. These are coordinating conjunctions which are used in compound sentence. Tom swims and Mary plays tennis. This one, Tom swims is a independent clause 1, or and Mary plays tennis is a independent clause 2. Okay. More compound sentence like Tom swims and Mary plays tennis. Here notice one thing, that comma comes before and in a compound sentence. So remember this thing, remember this is very important, because you will have to put a comma before and when you are making a compound sentence with coordinating conjunctions. You have to put a comma. Okay. So we use some conjunctive adverbs also, like moreover, however, otherwise, therefore. We will see some examples for these conjunctive adverbs. Like Bob is handsome, moreover he is rich. Here moreover is conjunctive adverb. So Bob is handsome is a independent clause 1, then he is rich is another independent clause which is connected with moreover. Moreover is conjunctive adverbs. This is an example of compound sentence. Now we will move forward with another example. Bob is handsome, moreover he is rich. So here kindly note that semicolon used. Why semicolon? So semicolon before adding conjunctive adverbs, we will have to put semicolon before conjunctive adverbs. Okay, and where, and then you will ask where we will put comma. So comma will be after conjunctive adverbs. So semicolon before conjunctive adverb and comma after conjunctive adverb. Like conjunctive adverb float. So what is conjunctive adverbs? Why they are called float? Because conjunctive adverbs are sometimes called floating adverbs because they can be positioned at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a clause. So you can put a conjunctive adverbs before, in the middle, or at the end of a clause. Like let's see one example. Like Bob is handsome, moreover he is rich. So it's in moreover is before clause, he is rich. He is rich is a clause, so moreover is used in the at the beginning. Now Bob is handsome, he is moreover rich. Moreover comes in the middle. Okay, then third sentence is Bob is handsome, he is rich, moreover. Meaning of these all sentences are same, but the conjunctive adverb moreover comes first in the at the beginning, then in the middle, then at the end. Okay. Semicolons. We have already talked about semicolon. if the relation between the ideas expressed in the main clause is very close and obvious without a conjunction, you can separate the clause with a semicolon. It's come from the Little Brown Handbook, 9th edition, page 361. Compound sentence, semicolon. In compound sentence, we use semicolon, like already I've already told you. Tom has benefited from his exercise program. Then semicolon, he is slim and energetic. So in compound sentences, we use semicolon. I've already explained that previously. Now talk about complex sentence. And then what is complex sentence? A complex sentence has at least two parts. One that can stand alone and another one that cannot. In complex sentence, one part will stand alone. It's one will be complete sentence, but another will not. Another cannot stand alone. So the part that cannot stand alone is linked to the rest of the sentence by what? By a subordinating conjunctions. Let's see one example. Since my boyfriend and I wanted to have fun, we went to San Juan yesterday. So this is a complex sentence. We went to San Juan yesterday. It's a complete sentence, but since my boyfriend and I wanted to have fun, it's not a complete sentence. It cannot stand alone. So with comma we connected the sentence. So in complex sentence, what we have? Since we wanted to have fun, its subordinating conjunction since is used. Since is used, that is subordinating conjunction. Part that cannot stand alone. Since we wanted to have fun, cannot stand alone. It's not a complete sentence. So, and we went to San Juan yesterday. It's a complete sentence. It had subject and predicate. So we use subordinating conjunction. So in complex sentence, we have subject, two subject and two predicate. Subject, predicate, even though, subject, predicate. Conjunctive. So in complex sentence, like Bob is popular even though he is ugly. It's an example of complex sentence. So in complex sentence, we use mainly these common subordinating conjunctions like after, although, as, because, before, how, if, once, since, then, that, though, till, until, when, where, whether, and while. So these common subordinating conjunctions we use in a complex sentence. Complex sentence, like example, Bob is popular even though he is ugly. So independent, clause 1 is independent, clause 2 is dependent. He is ugly, it's dependent. Bob is popular, it's independent. So Bob is popular even though he is ugly. This is complex sentence using even though. Even though is what? Even though is subordinating conjunctions. Now one more example. Even though Bob is ugly, he is popular. So clause 1 is dependent on what? Clause 2, that is he is popular is independent. So here we have even though Bob is ugly, he is popular. Clause 1 is dependent, clause 2 is independent. Now we will talk about compound complex sentence. What is compound complex sentence? In compound complex sentence, we have more than one part that can stand alone and at least one that cannot. So we have more than one part that can stand alone and at least one that cannot. Conjunctions link the different parts of this sentence. So we will have to put a conjunction to link these different parts of the sentence. Like example, since we wanted to have fun, my boyfriend and I went to San Juan yesterday and we danced all night. So what we have here? So since is a subordinating conjunction. We wanted to have fun, but then cannot stand alone. Since we wanted to have fun, it cannot stand alone. So second part is my boyfriend and I went to San Juan. So this sentence can stand, can these two sentences, my boyfriend and I went to San Juan and we danced all night, these two sentences can stand alone, can stand alone. So we put coordinating conjunction, and so that this compound complex will be complete. So since we wanted to have fun, my boyfriend and I went to San Juan and we danced all night. So this is a complete compound complex sentence. Okay, understood? So in compound complex sentence we have three subjects, Mike, he, and three predicate, is popular, is looking good, is not very happy. So full sentence, complete compound complex sentence is Mike is popular because he is good looking but he is not very happy. So we used conjunctions to put together all these dependent and independent sentences to form a compound complex sentence. So let's have some questions. So you can pause and do the exercises if you want. Say if the following sentences are simple, compound complex, or compound complex. So let's start with the questions. So the bell rang, first sentence. Second is Bridget ran the first part of the race and Tara biked the second part. Third sentence, he stands at the bottom of the cliff while the climber moves up the rock. Then fourth one, the skier turned and jumped. Fifth one, Naoki passed the test because he studied hard and understood the material. So guys, you can do the exercise and comment me the answers, and you can pause it and do it, then comment me the answers. I will be providing answers, but firstly try yourself. Okay, so have your time and do this correctly. I will be giving answers. Okay, done. So we will move further with the answers. Simple, first one is simple, second one is compound, third one complex, fourth one is simple, fifth one is compound complex. Okay, so I will be giving some more questions. See, first one is because Kyla has so much climbing experience, we asked her to lead our group. Okay, second one, you and I need piano lessons. I planned to go to the hockey game but I couldn't get tickets. Fourth one is Dorothy likes whitewater rafting but she also enjoys kayaking. Fifth sentence, there are many problems to solve before this program can be used, but engineers believe that they will be able to solve them soon. Okay, so solve these questions, guys. You can pause the video. I will be providing the answers. So pause the video and do the questions, and you can comment the answers. So moving forward, I am giving the answers. So first one is complex, second one is simple, third one compound, fourth one compound, fifth one is compound complex sentences. So here it ends. So I am giving the references. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So thank you for now. I will be coming up with another video. So thank you. Jai Hind.